Let's check out the basics of this tense. I have been going to the disco. So officially, you form it with the base form of have, the past participle of be, and the present participle of your main verb. More simply, it looks like have been ing. How you form it is in the name. You take the present of have, the perfect of be, and the continuous of the main verb. Present, perfect, continuous. Only in the third person singular there is a little change where the have gets the third person, so he has been going to the disco. Do check out my video on the present participle. The link is in the description below. You can find out how to form it, how to use it, so everything important is in the video. Let's see how the negatives are formed. I have not been going to the disco. The verb have is in the negative. He has not been going to the disco. So the third person singular remains has, and you just add on not. Let's see how questions are formed. Have you been going to the disco? The verb have is in the question words position, so in the front. Has he been going to the disco? So don't forget that in the third person singular, the have turns into a has. So let's see how to use this tense. It started in the past and lasted until now, commonly used with for or since. They have been playing for an hour. So the kids have been continuously playing for an hour, and you use this tense because it has been exactly an hour until right now that they have been playing. It started in the past, still ongoing, and explains a phenomenon. He has been cooking and now it smells in here. So the guy has been cooking and the smell is all over the house now, and that's why you're using this tense. An action that repeats often since a point in the past. She has been going to the disco. So you're using this tense because she has been going to the disco often, and this is a habit that she has been forming for a while now.